Jai Shri Krishna. And today we shall meet Kaan Motihar, Asha Chand, and Sapna Bharwani. The song that Sapna Bharwani will sing for you is Sindhi Abani Boli. Words penned by Kaan Motihar. Now, about Kaan Motihar, I was not able to get too much information. He was born in 1927, maybe in Old Sakhar. I tried to get the image which is up there, but it may be copyrighted, it said. Now, Sindhi Abani Boli was sung in the movie Ammi Ya Mummy, which was probably produced by him. My friend Meenu Gidwani told me that around 1968 to 1972, he used to go to her place, he used to sing and play the harmonium and sing beautiful Sindhi songs. So that's Kaan Motihar. And now let us meet Asha Chand. Asha Chand is one of the, at least according to me, maybe there are many others too, but she is the pioneer in trying to promote Sindhi language. I have seen her. She has also interviewed me and about the Sindhi language, and I will be putting up the link along with this. It's up on YouTube already. So if you would like to see my interview with her, by all means. But a charming young lady, I mean, not very old, charming, attractive. You'll see her in the photograph. And her goal is to promote the Sindhi language, the culture, and the heritage. Now, you have to understand that in the absence of a Sindhi state, our community is widely scattered. And this Sangat's activity, the Sindhi Sangat's activities include TV serials, music, videos, webcasts, Sindhi learning tools, and mobile apps such as Learn Sindhi, which has got a free download for Android and iOS. International Sindhi competitions for children and teenagers are being organized annually to prompt the Sindhi children and parents to learn Sindhi. Now, about Sindhis, what shall I say? We are spread out all over the world. Though we lost everything during partition, we did not lose heart. We decided not to waste our time bemoaning our fate. And today, 70 years later, not only have we thrived, but we are giving back to society in the form of hospitals, colleges. But we lost our language. I don't really blame the Sindhis. What to do? We had to survive. And as we scattered all over the world, we had to adapt to the various cultures that welcomed us. And I think we owed it to them too. We migrated, we learned their language. And how much to teach the children? They had to, Hindi became a better option because that's our national language. So Hindi, and then the language, the local language, supposing you were in Spain, I know Spanish, and then English. So to put in another one, though in the interview, when Asha asked me, what would you do? What do you think is the solution? I said, well, we grandchildren, that is my generation, we speak good Sindhi. If we could speak to our grandchildren in Sindhi, it may just work. But Asha, on the other hand, is doing a monumental job trying to bring it forth. But anyway, as I said, I don't really blame the Sindhis. We had to survive, we had to adapt to the various cultures. We migrated to learn that language. But today, we are in a position to reclaim our culture and language. Even Shri Shri Ravi Shankar in one of his interviews has spoken about the Sindhis, that how, because people are losing their jobs during the COVID, and how he said, how did the Sindhis survive? They had nothing, but yet they survive. So trust in the Lord and things work out. Now, about meeting Sapna, I like to, whoever sings, at least ask her, tell me, what is it that, one word that maybe your parents spoke to you, or maybe you heard in a satsang, or maybe a friend told you, that kind of, you made it into the mantra for your life. So this is what Sapna tells me, Sapna Bharwani. Having been in Freetown, West Africa, attending satsang was a very important part of my growing up years. Somewhat reluctantly, I would go to the temple, But little did I know that everything I had been hearing was getting tucked away in a corner of my little brain. And this is what I say, sanskaras. Go to satsang, maybe one word, one sentence will make your life. But Sapna continues, one such line I remembered randomly was Jiya halai tiya vava. It meant that we surrender to his will. And not only surrender to his will, but surrender happily. And Sapna says it always has worked out fine. And it always works for her. And then she says, we come across so many setbacks in life, but acceptance is the only way to keep yourself on track. So, Jiya halai tiya vava. Now, let me translate the song Sindhi Abani Boli. It says so much. Sindhi Abani Boli, Mithri Abani Boli. Thanke makiya visarya. How can I forget my Sindhi language? Jind jaan te tavarya. Let me surrender my life and my breath to my language. And because it is in that language that my mother sang a lullaby to me when I was a baby. And then she says, Samia Shah Jahera Jinja Saputa Ain. I mean, we had poets like Sami and Shah. And Santan, and how can we forget this beautiful language of ours, which is a lover's language? And then he says, Har kaum ji sunyana pa unaji zuban aaye. Every sect in the world is known for the way it speaks. And then he tells the Sindhis, Zinda tu Sindhi ahi, Zinda je tunji boli. Sindhis will remain alive if your Sindhi language remains alive. And then he again urges to the Sindhis, Sab kuch chhade tu aaye penje watan je khatir. You left everything. You left everything. But lekin tosan andi penji abani boli. But you brought back with you your language. Abani comes from the word your father's language. लेकिन तोसाना आंदी पहंजी अबानी बोली सिंधी अबानी बोली मिठड़ी अबानी बोली. And then he says, दुनिया जे हर हिस्से में तुंहिंजो वजूद आहे. You're known all over the world. You've spread out all over the world. And then he blesses the Sindhi. जित भी वसे तू सिंधी तो सान तुंहिंजी बोली. May you prosper. May you continue to live. But wherever you live, let your language be with you. And Sindhi Abani Boli, Mithri Abani Boli. Thank him, Kiya Visarya. How to forget it? I would, Jindi Jaan Tavarya, I would like to, I surrender my life in your name. Jame Diniya Mukhe Pinghe Me Mao. Where my mother, while I was in the cradle, she would sing in this language, the loli or the lullaby to make me sing. So I hope I have inspired you a little bit. So before Sapna sings, I would also like to say that I have this website, shakunkimatrai.com, and in that we have the Sindhi surnames. Look up your surname and see your... Because this is a book that was translated by my husband. So look it up and maybe you will find yourself and remember your Vatan, remember where you come from and remember your language. But now I give you Sapna Bharwani, sweet, pretty Sapna Bharwani singing Sindhi Abani Boli.
Sindhi Abani Boli, Mithri Abani Boli, Sindhi Abani Boli, Mithri Abani Boli, Tehke Makiya Visarya, Jind Jaan Te Tavarya, Jehme Dini Amokhe Pinghe Me Mauloli, Sindhi Abani Boli, Mithri Abani Boli, Sindhi Abani Boli. हर क़ौम जी सुञाणप हुन जी ज़ुबान आहे। हर क़ौम जी सुञाणप हुन जी ज़ुबान आहे। ज़िंदा तू सिंधी आहीं, ज़िंदा तू सिंधी आहीं, ज़िंदा जे तुंहिंजी ॿोली सिंधी अबाणी ॿोली। सभु कुझु छॾे तू आहीं पंहिंजे वतन जे ख़ातिर। सभु कुझु छॾे तू आहीं पंहिंजे वतन जे ख़ातिर। लेकिन तो सार आंदी, लेकिन तो सार आंदी पंहिंजी अबाणी ॿोली सिंधी अबाणी ॿोली। दुनिया जे हर हिस्से में तुंहिंजो वजूद आहे। दुनिया जे हर हिस्से में तुंहिंजो वजूद आहे। जित भी वसी तू सिंधी, जित भी वसी तू सिंधी, आहे सार तुंहिंजी ॿोली सिंधी अबाणी ॿोली। सामी ऐं शाह जहरा हिन जा सुपूत आहिनि। सामी ऐं शाह जहरा जंहिंजा सुपूत आहिनि। संतन जी हीअ सदोरी, संतन जी हीअ सदोरी, आहे आशिकन जी ॿोली सिंधी अबाणी ॿोली। मिठड़ी अबाणी ॿोली सिंधी अबाणी ॿोली। मिठड़ी अबाणी ॿोली तंहिंखे मां कीअं विसारियां। जिंद जान तंहिं तां वारियां जंहिंमें ॾिनी आ मूंखे पींघे में माउ लोली सिंधी अबाणी ॿोली। हाँ सिंधी अबाणी ॿोली, हाँ सिंधी अबाणी ॿोली।